48 average with him, 7 home runs, 28 runs batted in. And the game's first pitch is in for a called strike. And we are underway right on time, 4:05 on this beautiful Friday afternoon. Dion working quickly, goes right back to it, and a fastball high and away down onto the playing surface. 1-1 breaking ball. That's a dandy. Swung on and missed. One and out in the beyond the outfield. Here's a swing and a miss. Tried to hold up Lee, but he could not do it. He goes down on strikes. But right overhead, it is clear blue. The only shadows on the field are those cast by the combatants. There. 3-0 pitch, and it's popped up on the infield. But Juan Brito was hurt just before that call-up. It might have been his opportunity. Wilson is out after Hao-Yu Lee makes the catch. The Clippers go in order here in the first inning.
Hao-Yu Lee is at the plate, and the first pitch to him is taken over the inside corner for a strike. Lee struck out swinging in the first inning. Swing a tag around. Next pitch, the curveball stays high. That'll even bag. Next pitch, curveball again, hit high in the air toward right center field. Cairo going back. It's on the edge of the warning track, but that was a fake. As he looks up, the ball clears the wall. That's a home run. So Hao-Yu Lee picks up his 8th homer of the year. It's a 2-run shot here in the top half of the third inning, and the Mud Hens have the 2-0 lead. And Cairo trying to sell that, but there was nothing to sell when it was all said and done. That ball just
that
way
was a
too high.
quality deke.
No, it was. It really was.
For a guy. Matt Shaw had 3 of them. Here's the pitch, and it's popped up. Shallow right field, racing in. Christian Cairo still in. Makes the catch on the run, just about 20 feet into the outfield grass for the Clippers left fielder tonight. He swings and chops one over toward the second baseman. Hao-Yu Lee handles it and throws him out. Clippers. The 1-2 popped up. Right side of the infield, second baseman Hao-Yu Lee drifts into the grass, now comes back to the dirt and makes the catch. 1 up and 1 down.
Leadoff man. First pitch to him, swing and a miss, strike one. Great changeup there. Lee is 1 for 3. His one hit was a big one, a 2-run home run. That came in the third inning. Next pitch, a swing and a miss. His next pitch, there's a swing and a miss. I'll tell you, that is making a batter look silly right there with just 3 great pitches and the sweeper finishing it off. So there's 1 away. Andy Ibanez will be the batter.
Lee takes down and in a breaking ball. 1-0 count.
Well, Mushinski already saw how to get out of these situations earlier. Nick Michaelachik came in and did it earlier in the ball game.
And Parker's been very good for the Clippers as of late. Wine of the pitch and a foul ball out of play. 4 strikeouts in 3 innings here. He gets a called strike at the top of the... Got your whole arsenal at your disposal. What's he going to throw? Another breaking ball, and this one's fouled back to the screen. So you have to think about everything. Here's his 1-2, and he came with a curveball and gets a swing and a miss for strike 3. Pops the glove. Back-to-back strikes away from playing in games on a rehab assignment. Next one is hit on the ground to the second baseman, Hao-Yu Lee, who did not catch it, and that's a big boon.